This assessment asks us to calculate KEQ for this acid-base reaction. We can do that using pKa values, and let's start with the acid on the left side. This molecule, acetylene, has a pKa of 25. The acid on the right side is ammonia, has a pKa of 38. Looking at this qualitatively, we know that the acetylide is the stronger acid. As the stronger acid, we expect the reaction to be favored to the right. And so we're going to anticipate a KEQ, not KEG, that is greater than 1. Let's do the calculation to see if we get that. The calculation is going to be take the left side acid, pKa, minus the right side pKa. That's going to give us a value of negative 13, which is equal to the pKeq. Remember that P means negative log of KEQ, so negative 13 is equal to the negative log of KEQ. When we rearrange the equation, we get that KEQ is 10 to the 13th. That matches our prediction of a KEQ that is greater than 1. The reaction is favored to the right.